My establishments worked on by Environics have reported much better performances. My people have been a more happier and a more efficient lot.
Since the time that Environics have come and done a lot of work here, they've managed to correct the energies which are flowing in a place of work to such an extent that we all feel that the stress levels have reduced, and at the same time, the working environment and the relationship between colleagues has also improved.
I found Environics as a very useful scientific methodology of energy enhancement of factory, premises, residences, offices, buildings.
This team visited every single hotel of mine, and they did what I believe was very beneficial to us, taking care of the environment from something that is not visible, because clearly we don't see the harmful effects of the radiation. We feel them, but we feel them too late, and I'm appreciative of what they did for me.
Environics not only helped us to measure the concerns, but also neutralized and corrected them. The results of their corrections are very, very encouraging, and we are thankful for them.
We in our company utilized the services of this Environics. We actually had some boilers which were misbehaving. There we actually brought down our breakdown rate from about 15 a month to almost 2 a month. And in our offices in Delhi, we measured the pulse rate of our employees. And this is over a few months. And over time, they actually came down by about 3%, which in medical terms is quite a good achievement.
We also had engaged your company to do some radiation correction, and we got very good results in terms of the lesser breakdowns, as well as the pulse rate of the employees which were covered in that correction program improved quite a bit.
In Panipat Refinery, which is today proudly the largest petrochemical complex of Indian Oil, I requested as my friend Ajay to do a diagnostic study and come out with certain corrections, both in terms of productivity and health. And it has made a lot of difference since then.
My experience has been that there's been distinct shifts in along many aspects of the energy of the space, how work happens following energy corrections, and I found the entire team to be very professional. I do believe that as architects, we are primarily responsible for creating spaces that actually are nurturing and healing.